Visibility is important when you're leading the pack. And the new Rigid Chase solves multiple rear lighting needs in a single compact package. Developed for UTV owners, the Rigid Chase is a great solution for any off-road application that has multiple lighting needs and limited space. The Rigid Chase has a powerful halo available in red, blue, or amber with 5 built-in modes, including strobe, running, or brake light functions for racing or chase duties. The powerful 715 lumen center light is useful for reverse and area lighting, while a smaller downward-facing courtesy light can illuminate cargo areas. All of these functions can be controlled independently, making the Rigid Chase one of the most versatile LED lights on the market today. With so many uses, the Rigid Chase is one more way for off-road enthusiasts to own the night.